Good afternoon, everybody. I want to welcome you to our April 1st hike in the woods. Can you guess where I am? No kidding. This is Jenna Ambridge. I'm the assistant director at Sky Lake. I checked in with Matt today and told him I'd love to take you all on an adventure farther in the woods. Decided that we would go to our highest point within Sky Lake on top of Tuscarora Mountain. We are heading to our outpost area. Let me turn it around. Yes, we are on the outpost trail. We're high atop Tuscarora Mountain, higher than 1,800 feet. Not too far from here. Back behind me to my right, you'd actually find the marker that indicates the height. Maybe I'll search that out, take a picture of it, and post it. But when you hike to our outpost, you go through our campground area and actually come across the road, and you safely cross and go through what is sometimes lovingly called the Tadpole Trail by some, but this is our outpost area. This spot over here is where we park our chuck wagon that provides our supplies. Folks who come here during summer camp come up here and stay for a week. They pitch their tent in one of our tent areas, and they live here for a week. They cook all of their meals. They rebuild the fire pit area, and that's the preparation area, and they sit and relax together around the picnic tables. Up here at Outpost is a lean-to that was built by our former director, James Krager. Jim built this in the late 70s. When he started to enhance, as program director at that time, he started to enhance the summer programming and to build the skills and knowledge about outdoor living, which is one of the things that we do here at Sky Lake. This is another fire pit area where we would have our campfire times, our Bible study times, some learning. And then you could have a chance to stay in the lean-to itself. Provide shelter in the rainy times if needed. You'll notice in the corner there's a couple of potties. They actually will build and create a spot in the woods where they go and take care of their personal business. They learn how to do that properly so it can be taken care of and it takes care of the environment. This trail here leads down to a couple of the tent areas where you can pitch your tent, have a quiet spot away from everybody. Look at how gorgeous and beautiful today is. As I was walking up, you could hear the phoebes, their call. Just a beautiful day. Enjoy your time outside. If it's nice where you are, take a few moments to go out and listen to the birds calling in the chorus of nature. I invite you to join us on our next walk on Friday at 1:30 in the afternoon. You never know where we're going to go next. Remember that God is with us. And bless your day, because we are praying for you as you can pray for Sky Lake and our ministry. Love you all. Have a wonderful day.